Okay, now this, again, lesson 7, section 5, we're multiplying 7s, 8, and 9s. Now we're going to put it all together. Okay, look at the example they give you. It says, Romy sets up a model car display at the toy store. He has 7 shelves to use. He fits 8 cars in each shelf. Okay, how many model cars does Remy display? Well, looks like they broke apart the array, right? They broke it apart here into 7 rows. Okay, into how many cars now in this array? How many?
4.
How many? 4. That's right. So obviously for this one, it'll be 7 times 4, and this one here is also be 7 times 4 because it's the same type of array. And then they just added 28 plus 28. Okay. So obviously, what's 8 plus 8?
16.
So yes, 8 plus 8 is 16. And puts to the 6 down. What do I do to the 1?
Carry
Carry the 1 into the 10th place. Then I add 2 plus 2 is 4 plus the 1 that I carry? 5. So then 7 times, my multiplication sentence for this word problem is going to be 7 times 8. So then 7 times 8 is going to be 56. Now it says apply it. Now they give you another problem. It says Joe has 8 shelves with 9 books each. So I have to make that array, right? I have to make that array. So how many shelves does Joe have?
8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then how many books in each shelf? How many books in each shelf? 9. So we start off with an array like this. Okay. Then it says show how to break apart. Okay. Obviously I have 9 books in each row, right? So I have 9 columns. I need to break apart the 9. So what 2 numbers get added together get 9?
5 plus 4.
5 plus 4. What else? Can I do 4 plus 5? Okay. What else?
8 and 1.
8 and 1.
6 plus 3.
6 plus 3. Or 3 plus 6. Okay. Or 1 plus 8, right?
7 plus 2.
And I could do 7 plus 2. Or 2 plus 7. Any of those ways would be correct. Okay. Well, all I know is that I feel a lot more comfortable doing my 5, so I'm going to use this. So I need to break that apart. Okay, so 5 plus 4, so I'm going to have to make an array of 8 rows with 5 books in each row. So it would be this one right here. 5 right there. Well, let's do it this way instead. It would be this one right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's this. Nope, not that one. Way too many. That's actually 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one right here. So this would be one array that I made. So in this one here I have how many rows again?
8.
8. And how many in each row?
5.
5. So it would be 8 times 5. So then what would be my other array?
8 times 4.
Okay. So again, I still have the same number of rows, which would be 8. And then now how many in each row?
4.
4. So what would be my multiplication sentence again? 8 times 4. Okay. So 8 times 5 would be? 40. No, read 40. 8 times 4? 32. And then what do I do then? I add them all together. Okay. 2 plus 0 is?
2.
2. And then 3 plus 4 is?
7.
So My multiplication sentence for these two numbers right here would be 8 times 9. So 8 times 9 would be 72. Okay. Just another way to solve 8 times 9. On the computers for math, okay? I'll do it right there on my call. So yeah. Wow. It's windy. We got paper on our window. We've been booed. Yeah. Somebody left out some candy and stuff, and then I returned the favor. So. Did I tell you already what my class does for during Christmas time?
No. Yes. A party? No.
Yeah, I didn't tell you, but Jack. Sorry about that. I totally forgot I was recording. Anyways, like I said, I do this live, so if I make a mistake, it gets recorded too. Anyways, number 4, it says Tucker finds 5 times 7 by breaking it apart as shown. So another way you could break it apart is it's like this, okay? Do I break apart both of these numbers or just one? Just one. The other one stays the same. So the way he set it up was like this. He put one multiplication sentence in parentheses plus another multiplication sentence in parentheses. And then the answer that goes with it. And so which factor, these are called factors, which factors he did not change? 7. So that one stays there. 7. Okay? And then he broke apart 5 into 3
and 2.
Oh, so I need to know what numbers, when I add it together, I get 5. So I could do 1, 1 and 4, right? I can do 4 and 1, right? I can do 2 and 3, or I could do 3 and 2. So which one of these would fit?
3 and 2.
Well, he started out with 3, so then this would fit. 3 and 2. So now he has 3 times 7, okay? And then here he has where? He has what? 2 times 7. But look what the question says. It says, what number belongs in the blank? What number did we put in the blank? 2. And I'm done. Did he ask you to solve it? No, he didn't. It just asked you, what's the number that goes in the blank? So here they have 2 groups, right? So Claire has 5 plates, and she puts 7 muffins in each plate. And the model shows that she breaks apart one number in the problem, right? So this is what happened. So here on this one, the first one right here, okay. How many groups did she have in this group? 3. And we said that how many muffins did she put in? 7. So this is 3 times 7, right? Okay. What's my multiplication sentence for that one?
2 times 7.
2 groups with 7 each. 2 times 7. So which expression fits this? 3 times 7 plus 2 times 7. Which one would that be? Okay, hold on. It has to have multiplication, right? Is this multiplication? No. No. Okay. Is it B? No, because, well, it's supposed to have 7s on it. It has to look like this. Okay? It can't be D because, well, it could be this, but this one right here tells me that there's 3 groups with 5 each. Is there 5 muffins in each one? No, there's 7. Okay? Obviously, this actually looks like letter E. Okay? Okay, so 2 says, which multiplication fact does the problem represent? Okay. Oh, so which 2 factors are the same? 7, right? 7. Okay, and then it looks like they broke apart 7 and 2, right? So 7 plus 2 is what? 9. Oh, that's the factor that represents. So then what's 7 times 9? If you don't know, what's 7 times 2? 14. What's 7 times 7? 49. And then add those together. 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay. Carry the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1 more is 6. 63. Says the side of each expression is equivalent to the product 4 and 9. So I need to know what 4 times 9 is. Well, 4 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3 and 6.
36.
36. Okay. So 4 times 9 is 36. Whoops. Sorry. Right there. 36. So I need to know if these, when I add them together, I get that. Okay? If I work out the problem. So let's see. What's 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6? 9. So then 4 times 9, is that 36? 4 times 9, is that 36? 4 times 9, is that 36? So then it's yes. Okay. Here, I have to do what's inside the parentheses first. So what's 1 plus 3? 4. Then it's 4 times 9. Is that yes or no?
Yes.
4 times 9. Does that equal 36?
Yes.
Here I have to do both sides. So what's 2 times 9? 18. And then what's 2 times 9 again? 18. And I have to add those, right? Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. Put the 6 down, carry the 1. And then I have 1, 2, 3. Does that equal 36? Yes, it does. Okay. So now I have 4 times 4 is 4 times 4. Not 12. That's 3 times 4. 16. Okay. And then I'll get, what's 4 times 4 then? 16. And then add it together, right? 6 plus 6 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 1, 2, 3. Does that equal 36? No. Okay. Says, what is 8 times 7? Show how to break it apart. So right here is when you can do the array. Okay, and then break it apart, or you could do this. I'm going to choose, you know what? I'm going to choose break it apart the 8. Okay, so the 7 stays the same. And then add those. So what two numbers add them together to get 8? Tell me. 6 and 2. Okay, 4 and 4, yes. I'm going to go 5 and 3 because I know what my 5s are. So 5 and 3. So 5 times 7? 35. I'm going to put it over here. 3 times 7? 21. And then add those together. 5 plus 1 is? 6. And 3 plus 2 is? 5. So then 8 times 7 is going to be?
56.
This is Mr. Rivera buys 9 packs of pencils for his classroom. Each pack has 8. Which expression represents the number of pencils Mr. Rivera buys? Okay. So it looks like does that represent that? So it's basically 9 times 8, right? Okay. If I break that apart, one of them has to stay the same, right? If the 8 stays the same, I'm like this. Right? And then what's your numbers give me 9? 5 and 4? Don't see that. Okay. But it looks like it's almost this one, but does 3 plus 3, does that equal 9? No, so it's not C. Okay. How about B? Which expression represents the total number of pencils? Well, it can be A because 1 plus 8 is 9, and it is not 9 times 9. It's actually 9 times 8, right? So it can be A. Could it be B?
Yes.
But when I multiply both of these, what's my next step? Adding. Does that tell you to add? No. So could it be D? No, it can't be D. Okay. It can be B because what's 3 plus 5? 8. And then it's 9 times 8, which, yeah, that's right. So this expression is correct. Got to look at the signs very carefully. To solve, I could use equal groups. 3 groups with 7 each, right? Then add them together. I could do that. Could I break it apart? Yes. I could break it apart. I'm going to break apart 7. Well, you know what? I'm going to use 5 because 5 and 2. If I break apart 7, I can use 5 and 2. That makes it easy to add. 3 times 5 is 15, and then 3 times 2 is 6. Then I add 15 plus 6, right? 5 plus 6 is 11. Put the 1 down. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So then what's 3 times 7? 21. That's another way to do it. You got to show me your work to get credit. You can't just do this. I'm done. How do I know how to solve it? I can't read your mind. Show me the work.